So my brothers, you're going through financial hardship. Don't worry. Count the years. How many years? It's been 3 solid years. 2 more years. How? 2 more years? Before you know it, it's going to be 2022. Done. And please don't come back to me 2023 and say, brother, I'm still waiting. May Allah grant you. It's not, I'm only giving you an example. I'm only giving you an example. It could be before that, right? And anything, those who are not doing well at school, the way we shove our opinions down their throats, they become suicidal. Many of the brown parents are guilty of putting so much pressure on their children to get A's. I tell my kids, you don't need to get an A. Go to school, enjoy yourself thoroughly. Just make sure you pass, come out. That's all. Enjoy yourself. How many of you, after you crossed, school, was it extremely important for you that people asked you, sorry, when you were in grade 5 or grade 6, did you get A's? Did they ever ask you that? It's irrelevant. No one asks you what you got at primary school. Nobody even asks you what you did at O level, to be honest, or A level for that matter. It's irrelevant. The fact that you're now a doctor, they're not going to know that you failed 3 times before you passed, or they wouldn't allow that scalpel in your hands. Right? Don't worry. That's life. It's Allah's way. The brightest children are not always the most successful on earth. And I want to tell you something else. To prove that your education and your wealth are not necessarily connected, Allah makes some of the wealthiest from amongst us some of the least educated. Do you guys agree? Thank you. So just leave school. Subhanallah. No, that's a joke, okay? That's a joke. That's a joke. But subhanallah, it's amazing.